Hi, I'm Joseph with NVHomes, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to Longview Ridge, where low-maintenance townhome living keeps you near the amazing amenities of Hunt Valley. Here you can own a grand 3 or 4 bedroom townhome with plenty of luxury surprises around every corner, not to mention a generous list of included features, plus the region's most spectacular outdoor living space, NVHomes' signature Skyline Eye. These energy-efficient new construction homes offer plenty of high-tech features, such as Ecobee learning thermostats and electric car charging outlets, so that your new home is also a smart, long-term investment. Just outside your front door, you'll love admiring the wooded views from this private community, conveniently tucked right off of Shawan Road. Longview Ridge will offer tree-lined sidewalks for relaxing evening strolls, as well as a great lawn for meeting up with neighbors. The Hunt Valley area is filled with ample amenities for boutique shopping, fine dining, date nights, fitness, recreation, and everyday errands. In addition to having access to downtown Baltimore by highway or the light rail, Longview Ridge offers an active lifestyle near all the hotspots you've grown to love. Our 2 decorated models are open daily by appointment. Schedule a visit with me today. We can't wait to welcome you home.